JavaScript events are JavaScript event. It's interacted through with an HTML, and the events occur when the user or the browser manipulates the page. So the page loads, it's called an event. When the user clicks a button, the user that click to is an event. Example include events like pressing any key or closing a window or resizing a window, etc. The developers can use these events to execute JavaScript coded responses, which cause buttons to close the windows, messages to be displayed to users, data to be validated, and any other type of responses that we can imagine. Now, REST events are a part of the document object model, and every HTML element considers a set of events which can trigger JavaScript code. Please go through this small tutorial HTML references where we'll see few examples to understand the relationship between a event and JavaScript. Now there are actually few types of event types that are there, and one such as on-click event type. This is the most frequently used event type, which occurs when a user clicks the left button of his mouse. You can put your validation, a warning, etc. in this event type. And you have a simple example here of hello world, and you have a button and then you click on it and then it says say hello. So the output will be like this, wherein you will be having a button here and then you click it here and then you get a pop-up saying say hello. And the other event type that you have is on submit. On submit is when you're trying to submit a form and you can put a form validation against this event type. Sure, here the example that you are going to provide here is calling a validate function before submitting a form data to the web server. The validate function returns through the form will submit, otherwise it will not submit the data. So here either you have your function validation, and all your validation goes here. It says either return true or false. And then post action, you're submitting it, and then you return validate, and then you submit. You have that submit value here. And other two events that are there are on mouse over and on mouse out. These two event types will create nice effects with images or with even a text as well. The mouse over event triggers when you bring your mouse over any element, and the mouse out triggers when you move your mouse around that element. For example, you have a function over and then function out, and then you say mouse over and mouse out. So when you bring mouse over, you say bring your mouse inside the division to see the result, and when you want to have the mouse out, then you say this is inside the division. So you have an output which will be seeing giving a pop-up based upon those mouse over and mouse out. And in HTML5 there are like so many standard JavaScript functions that are there based upon this event types. And now for an example from a basic website of this W3 schools. You can go to this website and then you can see, like for the examples given here, you can just go through them, and it gives a basic understanding of how it works, and concepts. Simple explanation is given, so it's easy to understand over there. So if you have any doubts, you can just get back to me on this. Presently, I'm not able to go to that website as of now.